Every day, thousands of people go online and search the same question: how to earn income at home. Some people want extra income, others want financial freedom, and many simply want a way to make money without depending only on a job. But the problem is, most advice online is either unrealistic or requires a lot of money to start. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 practical ways people explore earning income at home with around $1,000. And one of these strategies is something most beginners completely ignore. Stay with me until the end, because the last one can quietly become one of the most powerful long-term digital assets. Income Stream 1. Dividend stocks. First way people try to earn income at home is through dividend stocks. Some companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders. These payments are called dividends. When you own shares of these companies, you may receive payments every few months simply for holding them. Think of it like owning a small piece of a business. For example, if someone invested around $300 into dividend-paying companies, those companies may distribute small payments over time. It may start small, but many investors focus on reinvesting those dividends and letting them grow over the years. This strategy is commonly used by long-term investors building passive income. But here's an interesting question. What if you could earn income from real estate without actually buying a house? Income Stream 2. Real estate. Through REITs. The second strategy people explore to earn income at home is through REITs, also known as real estate investment trusts. Real estate has always been one of the most popular ways to build wealth. But buying a property usually requires a large amount of money. REITs allow investors to own small shares of large real estate portfolios. These companies often own properties like shopping centers, apartment buildings, office spaces, logistics warehouses. When those properties generate rental income, a portion may be distributed to investors. If someone invested around $200 into REITs, they could begin gaining exposure to real estate income. And the best part is you don't need to manage tenants or deal with property maintenance. But what if you could create something once and sell it again and again online? Income Stream 3. AI digital products. The third way people explore how to earn income at home is by creating digital products using AI tools. Today, creators are building things like digital templates, design assets guides and educational materials, automation tools. These digital products can often be sold repeatedly. Unlike physical products, there is no inventory and no shipping required. A small budget of around $200 can be used for tools, design resources, or launching digital products online. Once those products exist, they can continue generating income over time. Many creators start with just one digital product and slowly expand their library. But what if you want something even simpler that spreads your investment across many companies? By the way, if you're enjoying this video and learning how to earn income at home, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to share more strategies like this. Now let's continue with the fourth income stream. Income Stream 4. Index funds. Another way people try to earn income at home is by investing in index funds. Instead of selecting individual companies, index funds allow investors to buy small pieces of many companies at once. This helps spread risk and diversify investments. Many index funds track large groups of companies across the market. If someone invested around $200 into index funds, they would essentially be participating in the growth of many companies at the same time. Over the long term, many investors use index funds as a foundation for building wealth. But here's something interesting. What if the most powerful income stream isn't an investment at all? Income Stream 5. Your own digital asset. The fifth way people learn how to earn income at home is by building their own digital asset. Digital assets can include a YouTube channel, a niche website or blog, an online community, educational or informational content. These assets may take time to grow, but once they build an audience, they can generate income through advertising, partnerships, and digital products. Many creators who now earn income online started with extremely small budgets. The biggest difference was consistency over time. Because unlike a job, a digital asset can continue generating income even when you are not actively working. Example, $1,000. Allocation. If someone wanted to experiment with multiple income streams using $1,000, an example approach could look like this. $300 dividend stocks, $200. REIT investments, $200. Digital product creation, $200. Index funds, $100. Building a digital asset. Instead of relying on only one source of income, this approach starts building multiple potential income streams from home. Most people spend years trying to increase their salary. But financially successful individuals often focus on something different. They focus on building assets. Because income pays the bills, but assets build freedom. And sometimes that journey begins with learning something simple, how to earn income at home, and slowly turn small opportunities into long-term assets. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and stay in touch for more information about building income streams and financial assets. Before we finish, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.